Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to design a wedding invitation card for on Canva, the easiest way. So the first thing is to go to your Canva app and input wedding card, then enter and wait for the page to load. Then scroll and choose any card of your liking. Let me just scroll blindly and choose something good. Okay, let's say I love this picture. I click on it. I get to see it in a bigger view, and I can also see related cards. So for me, I can customize the template, and there we have it. Once I customize it, I make it my own, and that's the end of I've successfully created my wedding picture, so wedding card on Canva. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Do have a great day.